A funk guitar line or a funk guitar player plays much more rhythmically than your, stereotypical guitar player does. I know we all like to play our lead guitars and rip some massive solos, but as a funk guitar player, you need to be really locked in with the rest of the band. Now, normally, we do this by listening to what the drums are doing. Now, typically, a drum beat, your bass drum, so your low-end thump, will be on beats 1 and beats 3. And then your snare hits will be on beats 2 and beats 4. So this gives us an idea of what to listen out for when we're playing to a drum track. Now, the one I'm using today is a little bit more varied. He's got a couple of drum fills and just a bit more of an interesting snare pattern. That's purely because when I'm practicing, I like to play to a drum beat a little bit more than just a click. I find it a bit more interesting and it just makes it a bit more fun. So the thing we need to do now is make sure we've got our right hand or our strumming hand technique down. But more importantly, and I probably should have mentioned this beforehand, but what we're really going to need now to get moving forward is the use of our metronome or our drum track. Now, because funk guitar is so rhythmic, we really need to understand how, as a guitar player, we can get locked in and start grooving. Now, you might hear terms like, staying in the pocket. We musicians like to throw all these silly terms around, but it just basically means, can you play in time?